Maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature year-round can be a challenge for many homeowners, especially in areas where weather conditions can fluctuate. If you've ever noticed certain rooms feeling too hot in the summer or too cold in the winter, your windows may be part of the problem. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the most effective ways to create a more consistent and comfortable indoor environment in Mandeville. One of the primary reasons homes experience uneven temperatures is poor insulation. Older or outdated windows often allow air to escape, making it difficult to regulate indoor conditions. During warmer months, cool air from your air conditioning system can leak out, while heat from outside seeps in. In cooler periods, the opposite happens: warm air escapes, and cold drafts enter your home. Energy-efficient windows are designed to prevent this constant exchange, helping maintain a steady indoor temperature. These modern windows use advanced materials and technologies to improve insulation. Features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills between panes all work together to reduce heat transfer. In a place like Mandeville, where humidity and temperature shifts can impact comfort, these features make a noticeable difference. By keeping conditioned air inside and outdoor elements out, your home stays more stable regardless of the season. Another key benefit of energy-efficient windows is their ability to reduce hot and cold spots throughout your home. If you've ever walked from one room to another and felt a sudden temperature change, inefficient windows could be the cause. Rooms with direct sunlight may become overheated, while shaded areas stay cooler. Energy-efficient windows help balance these differences by minimizing the amount of heat entering or leaving each room, creating a more uniform indoor climate. In addition to improving comfort, consistent indoor temperatures also mean less strain on your HVAC system. When your windows are inefficient, your heating and cooling systems have to work harder to maintain your desired temperature. This not only leads to higher energy bills but can also shorten the lifespan of your equipment. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you allow your HVAC system to operate more efficiently, which can result in lower utility costs and fewer maintenance issues over time. Humidity control is another important factor, especially in Mandeville. Excess moisture can make your home feel warmer than it actually is and can even lead to problems like mold or mildew. Energy-efficient windows help limit the amount of humid air entering your home, making it easier to maintain a comfortable and healthy indoor environment. This added control contributes to overall comfort and peace of mind for homeowners. Noise reduction is an added bonus that many people don't expect. While the primary goal of energy-efficient windows is temperature control, their insulated design also helps block outside noise. This creates a quieter indoor space, which can enhance your overall living experience. Aesthetically, energy-efficient windows are available in a wide range of styles and designs, allowing you to upgrade your home's appearance while improving its performance. Whether you prefer a modern look or something more traditional, there are options to match your home's style without compromising efficiency. Ultimately, investing in energy-efficient windows is about more than just saving energy. It's about creating a comfortable, balanced living space. By maintaining consistent indoor temperatures, reducing energy costs, and improving overall home performance, these windows offer long-term value for homeowners in Mandeville. If you're tired of dealing with uneven temperatures and rising energy bills, it may be time to consider an upgrade. Energy-efficient windows provide a practical, reliable solution that enhances comfort and helps your home perform at its best all year long.